Most companies don't do a good job of figuring out what their return is going to be on a project before they start it. This can be a costly approach. Maximizing your ROI requires using your data to analyze financial performance before committing to a project. According to IBM, companies that don't utilize information technology as part of their key business strategy may cease to exist. For over 15 years, I've helped companies make cost-effective, impactful improvements for their business. In my article, I share 3 project scenarios with the costs and benefits to investigate before project launch. Whether your project is a new software implementation, a process optimization, or a manufacturing equipment replacement, there are hosts of costs to evaluate to ensure that a project's ROI will match the intentions of your efforts. So if you're interested in learning more about maintaining a positive ROI during your project lifecycle, click on the link below and let me guide you to success. For more information, please visit gofarwell.com.